Hi, welcome to Truckstop. I'm Andy. Today we're going to go over how to do box truck searches on the Truckstop Go app. First of all, we're going to go into our menu. We're going to choose load search, find loads, and here we are. We're going to get this going. First thing here, we can choose our home if we have that set, our current location if we happen to have our GPS on, or if we have a preferred location, we can choose that as well. What I'm going to do is I'm going to choose a recent search city. I'm going to choose Fort Worth, Texas. Where am I going to go? Let's take a look. I can choose any of those options again. I can choose by state or province, or I can choose by region. So let's choose Plains and Pacific West. Hit save. Now I have all this. What we got to do now is add some filters. Dates are in, equipment types. Since we're doing box truck, we're going to choose van. We're going to go all the way to the bottom where straight van / box truck is. Then we got our van with lift gate. We have a moving van here as well. Then let's scroll right up to SPV, which is your cargo van or spurner van or small truck. And we can choose just cargo van as well. Hit save. That puts us with 6 different equipment types. Not going to worry so much about the rate per mile or the mode at this moment in time. Trailer options, I'm going to leave as any as well. As you can see, you can choose what you want, but it's not needed. Next rate, I'm going to leave as any, and now weight. Minimum weight will be blank, and we're going to go with our maximum weight. The reason I do it this way is if the broker doesn't put in a weight, if you put 1 pound, it's going to exclude anything with missing weight or length. It's the same deal. So let's go with 26 feet, and we're going to hit search. Now you can see we have 28 loads. I can extend the search, so I'll drive a bit further to go to a deadhead miles to go pick up a load if I want to, but I'm going to keep it at my 28. I can now sort by any of these headings. So if I choose rate per mile, right now the arrow is pointing up from smallest to largest. I'm going to click it one more time so it goes from largest to smallest and hit sort. So now my rate per mile, the highest rate per mile is listed, and I can scroll through them and see what I'm looking for and if any of them look good. Once I choose a load, I can read where it's coming from, where it's going to. All right, easy peasy USA is the logistics as the broker for this load. I can copy their MC or DOT by just clicking the paper, the double paper here. I can take a look at their info, what they're saying here. Lift gate is needed, 10 pallets, and it's, there we go, it's lift gate. So that's a lot of good information. The only thing about this load is it's staying within city for $400. That could be right. You're only going to go a block or two or something like that, which is great. If you are going to be leaving the city, you'd want to negotiate a bit better rate. You can click email and send out an email, or you can call them right from the app and discuss this load. We can go back and go to another load. There we go. We can see what the load's about, who the broker is, what you're moving. All right. See if that's the load you're interested in. They want a van with liftgate. Great. Once again, call or email. There we go. There's a fuel estimate as well right here. And that's how easy it is to search for a box truck load on our Truckstop Go app. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call. We'll be more than happy to help you out. You have a wonderful day. Bye now.